if I told you that the next millionaire, may even billionaire, isn't going to be a Wall Street banker or a Silicon Valley CEO? They are going to be a creator, a developer, an innovator, maybe even you. Welcome back to TechED, the channel where we break down the complex world of technology and show you exactly how to leverage it. Today, we are diving into one of the most required topics ever. We are counting down the 10 technologies that could literally make you a millionaire. This isn't about get rich quick schemes. This is about identifying massive seismic shift in the global economy and positioning yourself to ride that wave. We will explain the tech, the opportunity, and most importantly, the actionable steps you can take to get involved. So, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our deep dives. And let's get into it. Tick of our list at number 10 is green tech and sustainability. Climate change is the defining challenge of our generation, and with that challenge comes a multi-trillion-dollar economic opportunity. This isn't just about saving the planet, it is about profiting from its salvation. We are talking about renewable energy, solar, wind, and next-gen nuclear like fusion. Energy storage, the companies that crack the code on better, cheaper batteries will be the unsung heroes of the green revolution. Sustainable food, lab-grown meat, vertical farming and agriculture. The millionaire make part. You don't need to be a scientist. You could be an engineer designing these systems, an installer and entrepreneur for residential solar, a content creator specializing in sustainable living, or an investor backing the right startups. The demand is global and government incentives are pouring in. Number 9 is literally out of this world. The space economy. We are entering a new golden age of space exploration. Satellite internet, providing global broadband, space tourism, building the hospitality experience for space, asteroid mining. Yes, it is real. Extracting precious metals from asteroids, space manufacturing, producing materials in zero gravity that are impossible to make on Earth. The millionaire maker part. This is for the bold. Become a specialized software developer for aerospace, a data analyst for satellite imagery, or start a company that manufactures specialized components. The barrier to entry is high, but the fast mover advantage is astronomical. At number 8, we have biotechnology and longevity. Humanity's oldest dream to live longer, healthier lives is becoming a viable market. This field is exploding with things like CRISPR and gene editing, curing genetic diseases, personalized medicines, treatment tailored to your specific DNA. Age reversal tech. Companies are seriously working on reversing aging at a cellular level. Biohacking, from wearable to nutrigenomics. The millionaire maker part. If you have a background in biology or medicine, the world is your oyster. But this can get involved too. Bioinformatics, managing genetic data, building software for research labs, or creating health-focused apps and wearables. The company that adds even 5 healthy years to the average lifespan will be unimaginably valuable. Number 7 is the infrastructure that will power most of this list. 5G and hyperconnectivity. 5G isn't just faster downloads on your phone. It is about ultra low latency and connecting millions of devices per square kilometers. This enables the Internet of Things (IoT) on asteroids, smart cities where traffic lights, cars, and sensors talk to each other in real time. Remote surgery, doctors operating on patients from across the globe. Augmented reality, truly seamless wireless AR experiences. The Millionaire Maker part. This is an infrastructure. Become a network specialist. Develop LOT solutions for industries like manufacturing and logistics, or create low latency applications for cloud gaming and temperance that were impossible before 5G. Coming in at number 6 is the industry that will always be in demand. Cybersecurity. As our world becomes more digital, it also becomes more vulnerable. Every new technology on this list is a new attack surface for hackers. The need to protect data systems and critical infrastructure is endless. This could cloud security, AI-powered threat detection, blockchain security, critical infrastructure security, power grids, water supplies. The Millionaire Maker part. This is one of the safest bets. Become a penetration tester, an ethical hacker, a security architect, or start a consulting firm helping small businesses secure their data. These skills are in extreme demand, and you can command a very high salary or consulting fee. At number 5, we have the fusion of our physical and digital worlds, augmented and virtual reality. The metaverse might be a buzzword, but the underlying technology is very real. This goes far beyond gaming. AR for enterprise mechanics, seeing repair instructions overlaid, and engine surgeons seeing patients data during an operation. Virtual real estate architects and realtors giving virtual tours. Retail trying on clothes or placing furniture in your home virtually before you buy. Millionaire Maker part. Become an AR or VR developer. This skill set is already highly sought after. Be a 3D modeler, creating assets for these new worlds. Start an agency that helps businesses create AR marketing companies or VR training simulations. You are building the foundation of the next internet. Number 4, blockchain and Web3. Number 4 is the most misunderstood tech on this list. Forget the crypto hype and price swings for a second. The co-innovation, decentralized, trustless systems is revolutionary. Decentralized finance, DEFI, rebuilding Wall Street without the middlemen. NFTs beyond art, for ticketing real estate deeds and digital identity. Start self-executing contracts that remove lawyers and escrow. Supply chain transparency, tracking a product from farm to table. The Millionaire Maker part. Learn Solidity and become a smart contract developer. Be an educator like the channel. This channel is the confusing space. Identify a traditional industry plagued by middlemen and build a decentralized alternatives. The opportunity is to build the infrastructure of the internet and finance. Breaking into our top 3 is robotics and automation. The goal is simple. The automate dangerous, boring, and repetitive tasks for humans. This isn't just manufacturing anymore. We have service robots in restaurants, hotels, and hospitals, agricultural robots for planting, harvesting, and monitoring crops, logistics and delivery, warehouse robots and delivery drones, consumer robotics, vacuuming, lawn mowing, and companionship. The Millionaire make part. This is a hardware-software blend. Become a robotics engineer or an AI specialist working on computer vision. Start a company that leases specialized robots to small businesses or provide integration services, helping companies install and maintain robotic systems. Number 3, AI and machine learning. It was a tight race, but coming in at number 2nd is the engine of modern innovation, artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI is the new electricity. It is not a single product. It is a foundational technology that will be embedded into everything. Generative AI, creating text, images, code, and video like ChatGPT and Midjourney. Predictive analysis, forecasting market trends, weather, and customer behavior. Hyper personalization, Netflix and Amazon recommendation engines on steroids for every industry. The Millionaire Maker part. You don't need a PhD. The biggest opportunity is in application, not creation. Become a prompt engineer. Use of the self AI tool to build a niche SaaS business. Offer AI consulting to traditional businesses to help them become more efficient. The key is to be the person who knows how to use the tool, not just the one who built it. And here it is, number 1 on our list: quantum computing. This is the wild card, the technology that sounds like science fiction but is advancing rapidly. Unlike classical computers, quantum computers use qubits, which can be 0 to 1 or both at once. This lets them solve certain problems millions of times faster. It will revolutionize drug discovery, simulating complex molecules to find new medicines. In cryptography, breaking current encryption and creating unbearable new ones. Financial modeling, creating impossible complex market simulations. Logistics, optimizing global supply chains in ways we can't even imagine. The Millionaire Maker part. This is the long game for the visionaries. Right now, the path is to get an advanced degree in quantum physics and get hired by Google, IBM, or a startup. But the supporting software and algorithms are also a huge opportunity. The first entrepreneurs to build real-world applications for quantum will become the tech giants of tomorrow. So, you have it. The 10 technologies that could absolutely pave your way to becoming a millionaire. Remember, the goal isn't to just watch this video and say that is cool. The goal is to take action. Take one that resonates with you. Learn one new skill. Watch a tutorial. Take an online course. The resources are out there and more accessible than ever. Which technology are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. If you got value from this, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button. Subscribe to Tech ED for more content that turns tech confusion into clarity and opportunity. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video where we will be diving deeper into how to actually learn AI. No coding background needed. Thanks for watching. This is from Tech Eddy. Remember, the future isn't just something that happens to you. You can code it, build it, and profit from it. See you in the next one.